How to log into 192.168.178.1. Router IP address. Step 1. Make sure your device is connected to modem, either via Wi-Fi or an Ethernet cable. Step 2. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type 192.168.178.1 and press enter. This action will take you to the login page. Here enter your username and password. The default login details are usually printed on the backside of your router or in the user manual. Common default username are admin, and password might be admin or password. After entering these credentials, click Login. Once you are logged in, you'll see the router admin dashboard. From here, you can change your Wi-Fi password, check connected devices, update firmware, and more. Troubleshooting tips. If you're unable to log in, try resetting the router by pressing the reset button on the back for about 10 seconds. After that, use the default login credentials to log in again. And also ensure that you've entered the correct IP address, which is 192.168.178.1. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.